your product research, the first thing you want to do is you want to start on all. And if you watch our past videos, you understand that the categories you want to be selling in are home gardening tools and sports. So today we're going to start in home gardening tools. Home gardening tools, then we went from home gardening tools to bed and bath. When we go from bed and bath, then we go to makeup organizer. Makeup organizer. Then when we got to makeup organizer, we just pick any random product. I mean, those products are selling, which mean that we want to scroll down, find the BSR for it, and then now we can find the top 10. Now, when we go from the top 10, we can go and move on from here. So, we can move on from here, find a product that we interested in, that we feel like other people will be looking for. What I look for is something that can stand out. If I see anything that stand out right here, this product stand out. And so what I'm going to do is that I open up this product in a new link, and then from here I'm going to start looking for different products that I know I can find from here. So the first place I want to go to is I want to look at these products. These look like something I want to invest in, and I want to look at this look interesting. This is a Mate Smart Tier Organizer Bath Collection. Slide out basket with a handle. Okay, that looks alright. That looks alright. So we wanna go to here. So now, okay, bad guys. So now that I found a product that I actually wanna look into, the next thing that I wanna do is that I wanna open a whole new category or whole new tab. Go whole new tab, go to Amazon, then go from here, all departments. That's the most important part, is that it's in all departments. Then from that word that we copied over there, we paste it over here, organizer bath collection. Boom. So as we can see, there is a result of 7,000 results for organizer bath collection. Okay, so we can see there is couple of that products is run right here. There's another one over here. There's two right here that look pretty similar. So let's keep going. There is not a lot of those products here. So what I'm getting from here is that if I'm not getting everything like this, what I this showing me is that I'm probably using the wrong keyword for this product. Bad. So let's try bath slide off basket. Uh, hmm. Wow. So when when I put the this in, which is what I think if you really looking for this product, that's what you're gonna use. We found this, which is really good. I think this is one of the perfect example for this product that we just found here. Um, so we just found a great product here, which is what we need to find, what we need to do. So now that we find this product, now we want to make sure that, oh, is this product matching what we want? The result right here is only 151 people, 151 product with that tag on it, which is really good. That's number one. Now let's see if those products are actually selling. So this is selling at 1984. So let's see how much this what's this BSR? This is ranked at 191. Okay, let's see. Got really good reviews and which is great. Amazing. All right. So, let's see how many this is selling. Wow, this is also selling really great. Look right here. Let's see, 28.99, which is a little bit on the high end of it. This is still selling really good. Wow. I think we just found a gem. I think we just found a gem. This is really pretty expensive. Um, so I think we just found a gem here. There's not a lot of other people selling this product. Um, and the one thing I understand about this is that we just found one product right here, which is this slide out thing, which is selling really good on here. The price varies from 1984 to 28.99, which is this all those all those three selling really good. Um, my only thing here is that I would um want to make sure that yes, first thing I'm going to do, let's save this one. I'm going to save this one, which is really cool about this. I can save on my app, and it's going to successfully save on my other products that I found. So this is really good. We just found one product right here, and that was so quick, so short. We just found a product, so we can do this over and over. So the goal for us is that we want to find products that have BSR result of under 1,000, and you want to find um the when that their select rank the rank for them are under are under 50,000 multiple listing of them. I mean, people are buying them. Not a lot of people are selling them, which is where we come in and we take over. All right. So where do we go from here? Um. So next, we wanna now that you know how to find products, there's couple of products I want you guys to stay away from, because those products they are products that are very that they are products that you want to stay in. So guys, those are lists of products that you want to stay away from. Those products either have high return rates,